Hello, this is Swati here. First, I am going to give my introduction to you people. I have done my BTech from MIMS University, Jaipur, in Electronics and Communication Department, and I am also pursuing B.Ed from Magad University. I have completed my whole study in primary and secondary education from CBSE board, and I am currently employed at EduDesk, the online education academy of Delhi, where I teach mathematics and science to up to class 10th level, and mathematics to only mathematics to class 11th and 12th students. So this was basically my background about teaching, and I also I am very comfortable in teaching mathematics because I like its humanizing nature. Means like it is mostly it is connected to our real life scenarios, and mostly it is connected to our surrounding. So it is very easy to understand, and I think the very mazedar topic that should be demonstrated to student is mathematics. So I have chosen this chapter, this subject to teach to students, to demonstrate to students. And this is I think mathematics is a lens to see the lens through which we can see the world. It is not something that I became, it is something that I have always been. So this was the reason behind choosing my subject mathematics to teach. And the topic that we are going to study in our further classes is the class 9th mathematics. It is very important. I think it is very important by the way, because the things that we are going to learn in our class 9th mathematics is directly going to come in our 10th board examination. Means the application that is the subject, the topic that is learned, that is going to be studied in our class 9th, the directly application of that topic will come in our class 10th board. So the class 9th mathematics is the most important part of our school education. Okay, so you have to make your mind that you are going to start preparing for your board itself. So we are not going to study like the school students now, we are going to study like a board student now. So you have to be somewhat serious about your studies now. And so the topic, first topic is there number system, second topic is polynomial. Like in this series, if first topic that is number system, this is exactly same that is going to come in our 10th class. So if you don't understand the theorems, don't understand the graphs and of this number system, it will be very tough for you to get in the further classes. So be attentive in that. We are going to learn in number system, and then in our polynomial there is factorization, quadratic, cubic, remainder theorem. These all topics are coming in this class 9. So this is not total polynomial, this is only the basics of polynomial. So we are going to learn the basics and going to use these basics in our next class. So please always keep it in your mind that we are going to learn only basics that is coming in our very important 10th board. Okay, and the next chapter is lines and angles, where we are going to study about lines, angles, how many type of angles are there: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle. There are many type of angles. We are going to calculate it, we are going to find out the angles, we are going to find out the congruency. Now the next chapter is triangles, which is linked with lines and angles, that is congruency of triangle. If we are able to know the angles, then we are able to know about the triangles, and if we are able to know about triangles, we are able to know about the congruency of triangles. These are all linked. So you have to study from the first class. These topics are so linked that if you don't understand the first topic, you are not going to understand the second topic. And this linkage is not going to leave you until you complete your board examination. Okay, and more topics are there, like Okay, the time is very less, so I cannot explain it. There are many more topics. Euclid geometry, coordinate geometry. There are many more topics to discuss, but I have a very less time, so let's meet again. Okay, thank you.